Yeah, in this video you will find how to create a how to override toString method for a Vivo. So Vivos we generally use in our application development. We can call it as a value objects, data transfer objects, or subbeans. So let us say here I have a personal Vivo. The personal Vivo in my class. In this class we have four variables here. So string and date of birth of candidate type and age of integer, which is a primitive, and income is float primitive. So and I have one default constructor here, and I have some getters and setters. Now let us see how to create a how to override a toString method with a single click. So generally when we want to overwrite a toString method, so we need to manually write some public, sorry, and we can use a shortcut of this eclipse. So control toString and control shift, it will give some. So this one, so we usually do like adding some each and every field, like so in this view we have name, so something like this, right? Name here, and so we used to write like this. We'll add the field name, and followed by the value here. It will print the name and the name value here. So suppose like this person view has only 4 fields. So what if our view have more than 400, like suppose it have some more than 20 fields. It may be Java objects or primitives. So what happens? So that it will be a button to, so each time writing a variable name and the value, appending the value there. So we can avoid this type of coding, this hurdle, by using a simple functionality provided by the Eclipse here. Just so here we go. Just right click on this, right click on your editor Vivo class, and select source here, and source you will find generate toString method. So it will give a it will give a pop-up. So there you can find the all field names, name, date of birth, age, and income. So by default these fields will be selected. So methods, so inherit methods, anyway we are not going to print them. So in toString method I am interested in printing these fields only. Suppose if you want to avoid some of the fields, you can unselect them, or otherwise you can select all here. Sorry. Okay. So now I'm interested to print all the fields here. So in the next section, insertion position point here. So you can specify where it should exactly insert the toString method. So I want to insert it at the last of my class. So after set income, here set income is my last method here, and you can choose whether you want to generate a the Java doc or not. So I want to generate Java doc here, and here you can find the string format. So there we have some default template here. If you want to, you can view this default template here. So this is how it is going to print the values here. The class name and opening braces here, and you can find the field name followed equal to the field value, and separated other field values separated by comma here. Okay, if you want to edit this, or you can edit this, and if you want to create a new format, you can create it. So now I'm choosing default template here, and the second one is code style. So we have number of styles offered by the Eclipse here. The one is string concatenation. So it will be just it will do what just I did before. So it will add the every field and separated and field value separated by equal to. So like this it will create this one. And second one is string builder and string buffer. Instead of using a simple return statement, it will build the Vivo field values with the help of string builder or string buffer. We'll see it later. String builder, string buffer with chain calls. So instead of making some string buffer reference variable dot append in each and every line for each and every field value. So it will just use dot append in the immediate line. So next one is string format and string dot format or message format, and the custom toString. Custom toString, so we can customize the printing of these. So we'll see it in my next video. So for now I'm going to demonstrate these four here: string concatenation, string builder, and string builder with chain calls, and string format message. So let us go with string concatenation here. If you want to skip the values, if you want to skip null values, suppose a field is having a null value, if you want to skip them, you can skip it, otherwise you can print them. So I don't want to skip the null values now. And the second option here is list contents of arrays instead of using native toString. Suppose if your view is having some arrays or linked lists having some values of your primitives or Java objects. So instead of using toString method, so it will print the contents of this variable, like it may be array or linked list. So instead of using by default toString method, it will print the contents of those linked list or array. So so anyhow in my view I don't have any arrays or linked lists, so there is no difference even I select or deselect it. And limit of items in the arrays or collections. So anyhow I don't have any collections here, so I'm not bothering about this. I just click on OK. So now you can see here, so it got updated. So if you go to the bottom here, you can find a toString method which is created by Eclipse for us. So Java doc is created, and person view is the class name, the field name here, and field value followed by separated with comma here. Just I'm saving this. So you can see I have a person view and one public constructor. Using this I am going to pass the values here. Let us take a main class here. So in main I just created a new person view using a default constructor here. So for name I'm providing Java 6.7, and for date of birth I'm giving some the present date as it for a demonstration here, and age is 28, and some income, some float value here. So I'm going to print a person view. So actually if you don't override toString method, it will print you a hash code. So but now we override the toString method here, so it will print as it has the code. So let me run this. Right click on this and run as a Java program. So my system has some, yeah, here it go. So it is printing like, see, whatever we have in this, you can see here person view name equal to Java 6.7. just now I passed it as a name, and date of birth. So it is printing Java, it will not Gregorian calendar. Why? Because I sent a Gregorian calendar here. So it is printing the each and every field and the values here for the calendar object. So and then so age and 28 here, income. So like I passed it here. Okay, this is the step. This is the one style. I'm removing this now. So I'm saving this. So now I want to generate toString method using the second style here. Again source and generate toString here. So all fields are selected here, and after set income method, so I want it last actually. So default template, I don't have any other template. So now I'm selecting string builder and string buffer here. So skip null values as it is, and everything I keep as it is. So click on OK. So again the view got updated here. I'm saving this, and you can see here. So it is giving a string builder. So by default it will choose a string builder instead of string buffer here. So some thread save we can have here. So you can find a string builder is a reference variable for the string builder, and for each and every field you can find the builder dot append like this. It will print all. It will take all the fields and the values here. So I'm saving this, and again I'm going to run this. So run as a Java program. Okay, now again you can find person view Java 6.7. Output is same. You can find here Java 6.7 date of birth equal to some Gregorian calendar it is printing. So So up to here it is Gregorian calendar. So up to here is a Gregorian calendar here, and age 28 and income. There is no difference in output, but is the second approach here actually. And I'm just removing this again. So just I'm going to use the second thought style here. So source generate toString here. So all fields and everything I keep as the same here. Now string and string buffer with chain calls. So I keep everything same here. Now it got updated again. So go to last here. Now every time instead of giving buffer dot append, it is using so dot append and dot append. You can see here. So it is the chain calls instead of using the reference again and again. So it is using some chain calls here. Save this view and you can run this. So even here also you won't find any difference in output. So as it uses the same default string style, right? So we don't find any difference here. There is an income, right? So let us delete this, and we will see the last the fourth one here. Sorry again. And source here generate toString. The fourth one is we are going to string format or message format. See, the default template is object class name and member name and value separated by equal to symbol here, and separated by comma you will find all other members here. So format is same, but using the different code styles we are generating here. So please keep remember this. I am using this fourth style, string.format and message format here, and click on OK. View got updated here. So let us save this, and you can view string.message format. So it will use some Java default formatters here. Okay, person view and name %s. You can find these type of formatting. You can CPP. If you're familiar with the CPP, you can easily get this. So let us run this again. Run a Java application. So again, person view, name, value separated by equal to, like this is a calendar object here. You can find. So this is the date of birth here. Third one is age, the value, and same. Okay. So I'm removing this, and the last one is like we have source generate toString, and we have last format custom toString. So we can configure our custom toString methods here. So there is one previous configuration is there. So we will find this in my next video. Thank you. Let's cancel this. So let us finish this video with yeah, this is my favorite one here. So I just want to finish with this. I saved this and I am going to run. I already watched this previously. So expanding the values. Yeah, thanks for watching.